So in this video we're gonna check if Oppo Reno 7 Lite has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all speakers on this phone. So on the top there's none, but here's a phone call speaker. Let's check the sides. There's no speaker here and either not here. Here's one at the bottom and at the back there's none. So it means it has two speakers. And now if we want to check the stereo speaker, I'm gonna cover one of them with my finger and see if the sound changes. So first let's try the phone call speaker like this. And clearly sound doesn't come from this speaker. And now let's try this one. Only source of sound is the speaker at the bottom, so that means this phone doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.